watch that hit and everything. That was on camera too. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a fucking outrageous day. So today, we're back on the Detroit River. So you guys can see, I'm on the shoreline right now. And actually, it's very, very super heavy winds. Like gusty, like 70 kilometers. Most people don't come out in these conditions because it's very, very tough. But I'm gonna show you guys how to catch walleye in these conditions. Most people have like a line bow, you know, in whatever direction the wind is gonna come. But I'm gonna show you how to guys beat this, all right? So right now, I'm gonna be on the shoreline, and it is extra, extra windy. So I like to do the same technique. I like to cast out. I'm gonna cast out just like this. As soon as I hit the water, I like to reel my slack, and then I like to hold my line down just like this. So you can see my pole tip, it's just sitting down. And when you feel it hit the bottom, you're gonna see the same resting point, that thud. And that's what you're looking for. So I keep an eye on my rod tip. Boom, there, it just hit the bottom. So now, I just wanna keep it low so the wind doesn't pick up my line and create a bow. And you just wanna twitch it low like this. So you can see it rests and my rod tip still. And that's how you're gonna beat the wind on 70 kilometer wind days, or even heavy gale force winds. You can't beat that. There you go. Oh, I was about to say. Oh, I just missed a fish. Oh my God. Would you guys do that? Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Oh, damn! I did it! Bottom jigging, did you see that? Yeah. It works! It works! Wow, alright! Wow, guys! Bottom jigging! It's already here. Nice, that actually worked. I was jigging it that ways. That was different. All right, I'm gonna try that again. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it, John. Thank you.
All right. I wouldn't net it, but my hands are fucking icy.
All right, guys. There's another one there. I was bottom jigging that time. You know, just dragging the bottom there, giving it a quick hops instead of trying to pick it up off the ground. But there you go. That's how you get it in 70 kilometer-hour winds.
I got even nice off for you, fool.
See that? Did you see it? See it on my tip? That was crazy. That was crazy how that hit. find a way to cut the wind somehow.
Nope.
Oh, it's a drum.
Oh, good.
It's a drum.
I'm glad I didn't catch it.
Yeah.
You can have these all day, brother.
Oh, thank you. Well, that technique does not just only work for walleye. You know, you ever want to catch a freshwater drum? You can do that too. Ah! These things smash baits. Get this out of his mouth real quick. They got a strong membrane in their mouth. It never comes out. Okay. There you go. Freshwater drum.
And it's hard to get them off.
Wow! I got to watch that hit and everything. That was on camera too. Wow! I did the bottom jig, you know, I was jigging downwards. Wow! I don't know. Wait. Feisty walleye. There you go. Feisty walleye. Oh my god. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Smash that bait. Hammered it. So you guys can see I was just doing like a downwards jig. Just trying to fight that wind. Keep my line a little tight. Oh, just pop the jig out. Press the lights again. That is a bigger fish right there. That's gonna be a nice one, roughly about 4-ish, 4 poundish or so. Still looking for that 10. Still hasn't came, but I'm gonna let her go for the next one. What is that? Yeah! Look at that!
What the?
Yeah!
Oh, there's some lead.
Oh, it's a brand new jig.
Got one wing.
It's a 1 ounce. You want it?
Sure.
There you go. It's brand new. It's a 1 ounce. He said, I need a 1 ounce jig. Da, 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 da. Boom. Asking you will receive. Oh my god, did you see that?
Yeah.
You seen that, right?
I've
Did you see that side? I'm bottom jigging too.
Oh yeah.
I was jigging downwards the whole way. Oh man. That bottom jigging technique works really well in the wind. Oh. Oh, it's a tanker. That's a biggie. Oh. Wow. There you go. That's what I was looking for. Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
That's a big fish. I had to get a nice shot of this one. Oh, man.
Okay, I'll net this one now.
Eric, you're on?
Yep.
Oh, man. So I got a fish right now. I'm going to just size up real quick. And Eric is on. But we're going to get this bait out of his mouth. And then we're going to take a weight and a measurement. Oh, I didn't even bring my board with me. We're just going to take a weight. Alright. There you go, guys. There's one on the day for you. What do you guys think about that type of fish right there? That is a nice, long, healthy walleye. I'm going to guess about 25 or 26 inches. Beautiful fish though. Crazy gusty winds. And I'm still getting these right here. Nice fat hogs. I'm going to let this one go. Ta-da! Let the big one go. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, in the wind too. Where's it going? Where's it going?
Oh, you got her.
Nice, another one.
Beautiful.
Gale force winds.
And you're out.
Thank you.
You're welcome, brother. Gale force wind.
Yep. Awesome bite today, bro.
Oh yeah.
Awesome bite.
If I could.
There you go, another one, guys. So many walleyes, countless walleyes in the river right now. Just tons. All in gale force winds.
Oh, come on.
Nice, Eric.
Nice.
70 kilometer-hour winds.
Bro.
There you go, bro. Told you, just shift over. I bring you fish.
Beautiful, beautiful. Walleye.
Yeah. Eric.
Walleye lander.
Yeah, walleye lander.
Oh, she's a monster. She's a beautiful, beautiful lady. Come here, girl.
Lady in
Oh, that beauty.
Oh, bro, that's a chunker.
Oh yeah.
That's a
I
sea
think
chunker.
she has eggs.
Yep. Mixed eggs.
Let this one go and lay her eggs.
Ta-da!
Oh, you're a beauty. You're so beautiful. I want a girl like you.
What, BBW?
No.
What? Big beautiful walleye.
Oh yeah.
What'd you think I was saying?
I don't know.
No, I'm just kidding. You like that, eh?
Why?
Gale force wind walleyes.
Oh yeah.
Hey? Gale force wind walleyes. That's what it is, right? Nobody's on the shoreline, just us.
Your outro should be
That was crazy. That was a crazy hit. Oh, this thing trucked it.
Boom! Boom!
This thing trucked it.
Boom!
Wow. This was an aggressive fish. Number 4. It hit like suspended still.
Oh, look at her.
Oh, that's a nice one. Thank you, Eric.
No problem, bro.
Oh, wow.
Big one.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Hammered it.
Did.
So much for your fish app.
Woo!
That fish app is scurvy.
Well, there you guys go. Another one on crystal ice. You know, I've been using the same piece of plastic for like 3 episodes. Oh man. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, the wind is killing me. Let me put my rod holder here. Oh yeah, there we go. All right. You don't like my wagon? Check that out. Anyways, pop this off here. There you go. Actually, a little bit bigger there.
Oh yeah.
It's got length on her. You can tell the belly's all sagged though. Just released all its eggs there. Say roughly about 3.5 or so. I'm gonna go net John's fish real quick. See, he's got one out right now. Back in the water. All right, let's get John's fish. All right, John. Your turn. Your turn. Gale force winds. Gale force winds here. Look, we're the only 3 people on the shoreline fishing right now. Oh yeah, way down there. And we're still slaying. And slay! Oh, nice.
We eat slay.
Look at that.
All day today.
Yeah. Nice catch, brother.
Thanks, V.
Oh yeah.
Everybody go home. Runs over.
Runs over, guys. Guys, runs over.
Shout out to Chris Sari.
Yeah, Chris, what up, brother?
Runs over, guys.
Runs over. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at this. Catch and releases. That's how much we're catching. Oh man. Alright, get back down. Let's get another cast.
Triple hit.
There we go.
Oh.
Yeah, man, there's so much fish down there right now.
Sorry, Jerry.
Cast out the cast. Thank you, Eric.
No problem, bro.
Whew. Yeah, it's number 5.
Wow.
Yeah.
More than that. No?
No, 5.
Oh.
Huh. So you guys go number 5. Crazy winds, gale force winds, same conditions, same bait. Everything. Everything.
As long as you're jigging.
Yeah. Everything. Yeah.
I've caught on black gold, I've caught on
Everything.
ice, I've caught on mackerel.
I came the other day. I threw everything in my tackle box and went right on the wall. Red, like a pink and yellow.
Nice size. Right in the red, too.
There we go. Yeah. Nice catch, brother.
Thanks.
Not no 10, but 10 fish.
Oh, yeah, probably went up. Yes, it is.
It is. Where's he going? He's around the bend. He's around the bend. Okay, there he is. That was weird. I was like, where is he going? Alright.
Settle down.
Oh, feisty. He inhaled that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Down in his gills.
Yeah, look at that.
Damn.
Swallowed it. Oh, man.
Pliers?
I might need it. Oh, you guys see that?
Try pushing down on the jig itself.
You can't even see the jig down there. Oh my god, right there. Check that, guys. So deep. Deep throat. I love my BBWs. You guys don't know what that means? Big, beautiful walleye. For all you other guys out there, no comment. Wow! Look. Yay! Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry.
It's all good. Minor.
There you go. Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
Oh, this one's bleeding. Bleeding out of its gills. But I barely even tagged it, but it'll recover. That's another one on the day. Tons of fish right now, man. Oh my god. Oh. Alright guys, gonna end my day there. End it quick and easy. Tons of fish, tons of walleye right now. 70-kilometer-hour winds. Gale force, and we're just slamming them still. You know, when you get those heavy winds and the line starts to bow, you can always use that technique that I was using, just putting the rod tip down and still jigging it the same way. When it calms down, just pick it up. You know, it works both ways. Anyways, thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one. Get out here, catch some walleye, and have some fun. Peace.